టుడే మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6Bలోని రోమన్ నెంబర్ 3లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లోని ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ సెకండ్ రోమన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు రోమన్ నెంబర్ 3లోని ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx. సో డినామినేటర్లో ఉండే వాల్యూని సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ తీసుకోండి. a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to some constant t. a is the constant. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. పవర్కి అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి 2 cos x. Inner derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus b into sin square x derivation is 2 sin x. Inner derivative of sin x is cos x into dx is equal to dt minus 2a sin x cos x plus 2b sin x cos x into dx equal to dt. సో బోత్ టర్మ్లోంచి మనకి 2 sin x cos x కామన్ చేసినట్లయితే ప్లస్ బి మైనస్ ఏ లేదా మైనస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి. 2 sin x cos x మీన్స్ sin 2x. sin 2x ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి మైనస్ ఏ అనే టర్మ్ ఇంటూ చేస్తుంది ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అదర్ కలితే డివైడ్ చేస్తాం డిటి బై బి మైనస్ ఏ. డిటి బై బి మైనస్ ఏ. సో integration of sin 2x into dx means dt by b minus a. Sin 2x dx means sin 2x dx means dt by b minus a whole by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx means t. So 1 by b minus a. 1 by b minus a is the constant. Integration of 1 by t into dt. 1 by b minus a into integration of 1 by x dx is log mod x plus c. Integration of 1 by t log mod t plus c. So 1 by b minus a into log mod t means a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. This is problem number 1. Roman number 3లోని సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 minus tan x వాల్యూని మనం sin x by cos x అని రైట్ చేయొచ్చు. సేమ్ 1 by tan x is sin x by cos x into dx. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్సిఎం అప్లై చేయండి. cos x minus sin x by sin x cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x into dx. Here cos x cancel. Integration of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x into dx. cos x plus sin x into dx. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. So f of x అనే ఫంక్షన్ మనం డెరివేషన్ అప్లై చేసినట్టయితే cos x minus sin x వస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ f dash of x by f of x is log mod f of x plus c. Here the cos x plus sin x is f of x. cos x minus sin x is the f dash of x. So log mod f of x means cos x plus sin x plus c. This is problem number 2. Integration of cot of log x by x into dx. Cot of log x into dx. Put log x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation on both sides with respect to x. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So integration of cot log x means t into dx by x means dt. Integration of cot x is log mod sin x plus c. So log mod sin t plus c. So log mod sin t means log x plus c. This is problem number 3. Integration of secant x into tan x into secant square x dx. Secant square x dx. Problem number 4. Put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiation apply చేయండి. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Integration of secant tan x means t. Tan x means t. Secant square x dx means dt. Integration of secant t is equal to log mod secant t plus tan t plus c. So log mod secant t means tan x plus tan of tan x plus c. Log mod secant of tan x plus tan of tan x plus c. This is problem number 4. Integration of root sin x into cos x dx. Put sin x is equal to some constant t. Differentiation apply చేయండి. Cos x dx is equal to dt. So integration of root sin x means t. Cos x dx means dt. Integration of root means t power of 1 by 2. Root means t power of 1 by 2. Integration of x power of n. T power of 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So t power of 3 by 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Fraction అనేది reciprocal అయితే 2 by 3 into t power of 3 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3 into t means sin x whole power of 3 by 2 plus c. This is problem number 6. Then integration of tan power of 4x into secant square x dx. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiation apply చేస్తే secant square x dx is equal to dt. Integration of tan x means t, that means t power of 4. Secant square x dx. Secant square x dx means dt. Integration of t power of 4 means t power of 5 by 5 plus c. Here t means tan x whole power of 5 by 5 plus c. This is problem number 7. Integration of 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 4 root into dx. Put x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to some constant t. Differentiation apply చేస్తే x square differentiation is 2x. 3x differentiation is 3. Constant differentiation is 0. So 2x plus 3 into dx is equal to dt. Integration of 2x plus 3 into dx means dt by root x square plus 3x minus 4 means t. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. So 2 root t plus c. So 2 root t means x square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. This is problem number 8. Now cosecant square x into root cot x dx. Root cot x dx. Put cot x is equal to t. So differentiation apply చేయండి. Minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. So both side minus చేత multiply చేస్తే మనకి cosecant square x dx is equal to minus dt. Minus dt. Integration of cosecant square x dx means minus dt into root of cot x means t minus integration of t power of 1 by 2 into dt minus t power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 by 3 into minus 2 by minus 3 by 2 into t power of 3 by 2 plus c minus 2 by 3 into t means cot x power 3 by 2 plus c. This is problem number 9. Integration of secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into dx. Put log of secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Differentiation apply చేస్తే log x की differentiation is 1 by x, that means 1 by secant x plus tan x. Inner derivative of secant x plus tan x. Secant x की derivation is secant x into tan x plus tan x की derivation is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. So two terms లో మనం secant x ని కామన్ చేస్తే tan x plus secant x by secant x plus tan x into dx is equal to dt. So tan x plus secant x ki secant x plus tan x cancel, remaining secant x plus dx is equal to secant x dx is equal to dt. Integration of secant x dx means dt. So log of secant x plus tan x means t. Integration of t dt, that means t square by 2 plus c. T means log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. This is problem number 10. Integration of sin cube x into dx. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So plus 3 sin x is equal to write చేయండి. Sin 3x minus 3 sin x is equal to minus 4 sin cube x. So minus 4 in a term into just is equal to divide just. So minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x minus 3 sin x by minus 4 is equal to sin cube x. Here minus minus cancel. Minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x plus 3 by 4 into sin x is equal to sin cube x. So sin cube x అనే ఫంక్షన్లోనే మనం ఈ టోటల్ టర్మ్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 4 into sin 3x plus 3 by 4 into sin x dx. సో టోటల్ టర్మ్కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేసినట్లయితే మనకి minus 1 by 4 into integration of sin 3x into dx plus 3 by 4 into integration of sin x dx. So minus 1 by 4 into integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3 plus 3 by 4 into integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Here minus into minus is plus 1 by 4 3s are 12. 1 by 12 into cos 3x plus into minus is minus 3 by 4 into cos x plus c. This is problem number